we are at the end. We are blowing all the dust away and getting ready to go into the cabin. So let's go. So we start the last day. We are going to paint the car. I'm really excited, as well. It's a really special project that we design the color exactly how the customer wanted. As you can see now, well, we have already painted some of the parts, and I wanted you to follow all the process, and I want to explain even more in detail what's gonna happen now. Because we have now a special gray that match the base color of the Alfa red that we designed for this car. It has a lot of pearls, so we need to put more than 2 layers to cover all the car. But to have exactly the same color in all the parts, we're gonna apply, it's a special gray that it was designed to be the base color of that one. So with that, you will see, because we will be 2 guns spraying the full car, as we need to, well, we have time, but we need to speed up while we put the paint in there. We have the guys that we don't stop working during all the day with the hammers and painting and everything. So yeah, let's start the process. I want to be really concentrated because we cannot mess up, and we need to proceed step by step, as Roberto Factory says that we need to proceed, and this is how we're gonna do. So let's enjoy as we will doing this process. Let's go. You always need to filter the paint and the clear coat, and once you have finished, you need to clean the area where you work, because this will make you work much better. So paint is ready, checked that it's totally closed, and here we go. Let's go.